friends, I have a very special visitor today in my kitchen. She's Ahi and she has come all the way from Buffalo, New York. What is your favorite food? What shall we make today?
Donuts.
Donuts. Is that your favorite?
Yes, favorite treat.
Okay, that's her favorite treat. Let's get started how to make donuts the Ahi way. We are doing donuts today. We need to activate something called yeast. Sugar is the food of the yeast.
It's sleeping. Now it's
sleeping. Yes, I'm putting some lukewarm water. But you can't add hot water. If you add hot water, what will happen? The yeast will die. We have to make the yeast activated.
Bubble.
Warm place. Warm temperature will help the yeast to rise. Our yeast is getting activated here. Let's start with the dough. First thing, 250 grams of flour, all-purpose flour, goes into this jar.
All of it?
All of it. Yes, Babu.
It's a big bowl.
It's a big bowl. Yes. Do you know why? Once the dough is ready and the yeast goes into the dough, it'll fluff up.
Yeah, like a big fluffy cloud.
Yes, like a big fluffy cloud. I like it. Some salt, goes little sugar.
Sugar.
Crack open one egg. Vanilla essence, because you don't want eggy smell in your donuts, do you? No.
But we want a yummy smell.
Vanilla has yummy smell. Some butter.
Why do you need butter?
Butter adds so much of softness to the dough.
It's gonna always.
I will add a little bit of milk. And take the dough out in this platform. How do you knead the yeast dough? You have to push it away from you and pull it back towards you.
Roll it. A ball.
Turn it into a ball, you're right. Then apply some butter on top.
To make it even more softer.
Yes, you're right, Ahi Babu. Apply some butter down here as well. Here goes my donut dough. Top. And you have to cover this up and let this rise for half an hour to 1 hour. Let's check now. It's abracadabra. Oops. It was tiny little ball. Now it has risen.
It's so big and fluffy like a little cloud.
Flour here, cut, roll it out. First, we are going to make some round circles.
Ooh, looks like donuts.
So we got 5 round circles out of this. Baby ones. We can have these as well.
Yeah, and those are the big ones.
Yeah. Good job, Ahi. Now let's fry the donuts. Now the last batch of donuts. So this is cinnamon. So we have added cinnamon sugar in few donuts. Now the other donuts, what are we going to do? We are going to add sprinklers. So how do we add sprinklers? You add a little bit of this sugar syrup.
So it can stick.
Yes.
You know, pink's always my color.
Is it?
Yes.
Pink is your color?
Yes, I am wearing pink.
So cute.
That looks so yummy to eat.
Now the donuts are ready. You want to How is it? I think From Ahi's expression, you know exactly how the donuts taste. So do try this recipe at home and let me know the outcome. And like, comment, share and subscribe. I'll try the cinnamon sugar.
This is tasting yummy.
You heard it? Goodbye from Ahi and me.